Hi, my name is Sierra, and I'm one of the PSA puppets here at the Nixon Library in Jacksonville. In today's video, we'll discuss how to use curbside service here at Nixon. Our curbside service is available Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Curbside service is for picking up items you have placed on hold or for picking up any documents you sent to Nixon for printing. Our curbside pickup table is located at the back of the building behind the outdoor book drop. If you have arrived in a car, we ask that you park in a parking spot. Please do not block the outdoor book drop, as this can prevent other patrons from returning their items. We also ask that you don't situate your car in the loop or in the middle of the parking lot, as this can block others from navigating the parking lot. Please park in a parking spot. Once you have parked in a parking spot, call our number at 501-457-5038. If you are using curbside pickup to pick up a hold, please be ready to clearly state your barcode number on the back of your library card. A staff member will use this to access your library account. If you don't have your library card with you, a staff member will ask your name and to confirm some information that is on your account to verify that you are you. Staff will then instruct you on how to pick up your holds. Please remain in your vehicle or stand at one of the orange cones until a staff member has gone inside the building or until a staff member has given you the okay to retrieve your items over the phone. If you'd like to print something off on a day we are not open or do not want to come into the library, you can email your document you want to print to nixoncurbside@cals.org. Once you have emailed your document, you will receive an automatic confirmation message from Nixon Curbside. Or you can call the Nixon Library to confirm that we have your document. Once you have arrived at Nixon, please park in a parking spot. Once you have parked in a parking spot, please call our number 501-457-5038. A staff member will then instruct you on how to pick up your prints. Please remain in your vehicle or stand at one of the orange cones until a staff member has gone into the building or until a staff member has given you the okay to retrieve your documents over the phone. All library items must be returned to the outdoor book drop. We are not accepting any books or movies that you would like to donate to the library. We are only accepting materials that belong to the Central Arkansas Library System. These materials must be returned in the outdoor book drop located at the back of the building. If you have any questions about curbside service, you may call us at 501-457-5038.